Hello and welcome. Today we'll see how to get access to the SAS Viya cloud environment for free. So we'll first go to our browser and type SAS Viya, and from the SAS official website we will look for the SAS Viya, and we'll have to accept the cookies, and we'll click on try SAS Viya, and it will send us to another page. We can see it, and after clicking it, try SAS Viya, we will land on this user form. We have to give our information, and then we'll submit it first to get the SAS Viya. First, we will type our name, first name, the last name, and the email address where it will be sent, and the industry, we can give any industry we want, since it is going to be used for data analytics. And in the life science field, I will keep life science field. Job title, I'll give academic instructor, and I'm from Bangladesh. This is my phone number, and everything is okay. And once the form is filled up, you will have to click on this sign and click sign me up, and it will sign you up. And you can see, thanks for signing up for the SAS Viya free trial. You are almost there, and within few minutes you will get an email from the SAS Viya official sites, and they will give you further links to install the SAS Viya. So once they send you an email, the email will look like this: SAS customer engage. We'll go to here. We can see the email. The email will look like this. If you are a student, click I am a student, and if you are an educator, then click on educator. So once we click on the educator from the email, we will be on this page, and we have to give our email address, the email address we have signed it with, and we'll click on remember me, and we'll give create profile. And from the create profile, we will be allowed to create our profile, and from this profile I will select preferred language English, my name, first name, last name, the email address. I'll keep my country. I'm from Bangladesh, and I'll keep Bangladesh affiliated with SAS. I will leave it organization Prime Asia University, and if I go to this option, customer or user, SAS partner program member, press industry analyst, student, professor, agency, I will keep customer and user, SAS expertise level, and I will keep here intermediate. I will check these things as well and create profile. So thank you for creating a SAS profile. You are almost done. A verification email has been sent to the email address you provided to verify your email address and activate your profile. So we'll now go to our same email address. They should have sent us an email for activating the profile. So we can see our email is here, and we can activate it from here. Activate your SAS profile. We'll activate the profile. So from this page, we'll have to create our password, and we have to obey by the password restrictions. It says we cannot use hashtag / double dash first name, last name of our email address. and any part of our email address. We also have to use 8 characters, one lowercase, one uppercase, one symbol, and one number. That's a heck of a lot for creating a password. So I will create my password now. I will give, okay, I have given the first one. Now to confirm it, given the confirm as well. It hasn't matched yet. I will try again. Okay, it just matched for the first one and the confirm password as well. Now I'll click on set password. So once I click on the set password, I will update the password as well. I will click on continue since my profile is active now. So once we have successfully created our SAS profile, we will be heading back to our initial email address from the SAS customer engage, and from that email address we will now again click on the same. If you are a student, you will click on student, and I will click on the educator, and it will prompt us to log in since we have already created our profile. So we will give our email address, which is already here. Remember me, next, and this time the password is already here, which I have already saved here, and I will click sign in. And once we click sign in, we will need to send a code to the email address, and it should have sent us an email about the code. So here is the code. We can see, we'll copy this code and go to the page and paste it here and verify. And after this successful verification, we will be in the SAS Viya environment. It is loading. So we are in the SAS Viya for Learners environment, and we can see the SAS Viya for Learners 4. We can also access the Jupyter Lab from here. We will launch our SAS Viya software or SAS software, and it is loading. It is redirecting us to the SAS environment. So here we are in the SAS Viya. Welcome to SAS Viya. And from here we can access this SAS environment, different tools for data visualization, model building, managing models, developing our code and flows, discover information assets, build decisions, everything. So this is how you get access to the SAS cloud environment. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video.